by this evening, we are expecting that all 246 would have appeared before court on charges of illegal mining, contravention of the Immigration Act, Section 49, for being in the country illegally, as well as trespassing. Then we know that there is 8 that will appear for being in possession of gold-bearing material. That is a case that is being handled by the Hawks. 21 of the 246 will not be able to appear in court. They have been hospitalized. They are under police guard. They will appear at a time when their health status has improved. We have been able to arrest some of the kingpins across the country, 2 in Limpopo that were arrested for being in possession of chrome that was mined illegally. Also in Carltonville, in Valcom as well, we've brought down a number of kingpins together with the Hawks. In Stilfontein, we do believe that some of the ringleaders that were controlling Operations Underground are among those that have appeared in court today. So we are continuing with Operation Valamkoti. In Stilfontein in particular, we will continue up until such a time that the DMRE or the mine owner has sealed and rehabilitated the shafts. We are avoiding a situation where we find ourselves in the same position where we find ourselves now. So we will only move as the SAPS once all these abandoned holes and disused mines have been sealed and rehabilitated, so that we avoid incidents such as this one. From where we are sitting, we think that we have been blackmailed for a long time as police, as government. Were blackmailed. They eventually thought police would move away from the static deployments, and this is where we find ourselves where we are today. So we think the strategy that we have employed, the cooperation, we've always been cooperating with the community. I think even before the court's intervention or the court directive that we must start supplying food had already been going down several times. Because we listened to the concerns that were being raised by the community leaders and so on. So everyone really needs to take accountability. Police have never blocked any shaft. Those holes are too big for us, for our members to even block them. We simply stood static and we said remove and retrieve illegal miners, but they had simply refused to be removed because we were standing static. So as the Mine Rescue Services CEO had indicated, that to try and employ a similar operation at Shaft 10 would be impossible, because the 2 shafts are not the same. It's quite a high risk and dangerous operation, but also that Shaft 10 has a lot of obstacles, so it would be highly impossible for the cage to go down. So we cannot dispute that there may be others, but for now, where we are standing, from the 2 volunteers, from the camera that was sent down from Mine Rescue Services, that particular camera is painting us a picture that there is no longer anyone underground. But well, we are yet to get a comprehensive report. But from that camera, there's nothing underground. From what the 2 volunteers are telling us, there's nothing underground. But it remains to be seen, because we will stand static. So if there's still something underground, we will be able to detect it, because police are not moving away from these shafts up until they're sealed and rehabilitated.